Pope Benedict is coming to America, and President Bush and thousands of Americans will roll out the red carpet for His Holiness as he arrives for his first papal visit to the United States. It starts today in just a couple of hours. Up to 12,000 people will have the opportunity to watch the Pope's official arrival ceremony when he comes into Andrews Air Force Base later this afternoon. Joining me now is Fox's Shepard Smith. Shep, good to have you here. It's going to be a fascinating afternoon. I know that the Pope arrived on a plane called Shepherd One, so our Shepard Smith is going to tell us what is so historic, really, about this visit.
Well, you know, he's only the second Pope ever to visit the White House, and this will be the first time that President Bush has ever greeted any foreign dignitary at the airport coming into town. And for that matter, it's the first time any president has ever greeted any foreign dignitary at Andrews. So it's significant in that way. The message, you know, here, Martha, is a message of Christ as hope. This is the first papal visit since the scandals back in 2001 that have sort of been part of the headlines since then. And the Pope is expected to bring this message of hope and meet privately with a lot of Catholic leaders from the United States to try to put them on the right path toward growing the church and building the church and building faith through the church over the years to come. It's a springboard to the future, and Catholics are mighty excited about it.
Indeed they are. And what can we expect to see this afternoon and into tomorrow? What's the schedule going to be like?
A grand arrival this afternoon about 3:45, 4 o'clock Eastern Time, something like that, as he arrives on Shepherd One. You'll have a private audience with the President, followed by a number of masses. There'll be one in Washington at the new Nat Stadium, one at St. Patrick's here in New York City, and as well as at Yankee Stadium, the third Pope ever to give Mass at Yankee Stadium, and tens of thousands of people expected to crowd in there. We will be covering every event from now on till that Mass on Sunday, and I know you'll be with us here for it.
So, Shepard, tell us when we can catch your special coverage.
Special coverage begins today, 3:45 Eastern Time, all the way through the arrival, and we'll be on and off every time the Pope is.
I will be watching. I know everybody else will too. Shepard Smith, great to have you with us today. We'll look forward to that. Thank you, Shep. This is the Live Desk right now. Thank you very much for being with us today. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.